turn, yeah, try and, there you go. Good job. Maybe I should turn it sideways. That seems to be the better thing to do. Hey, don't mow me over. It's all right, keep going. Try backwards. Yeah. You know, it seems like even though there's razor blades on there, it seems like they're just kind of blowing the grass around and not necessarily cutting it. Try backing over that thick stuff. Or right up there. Try going, yeah, up there, yeah. Come on, you're getting it. Oh, it's probably slipping. That's probably good. You can cut it off.